Gavin Baxter here from Active IQ. It is Fitness Friday and this week I am doing a quick recipe for you ketogenic dieters. This is a keto bread. What we've got here, this is 80 grams of almond flour. We've got a tablespoon of melted butter, tablespoon of coconut oil, a teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt and 2 eggs. So all you're going to do, guys, is you're just going to mix this up together. Baking powder goes in, pinch of salt goes in, that's it, mix that in. Nice and easy with the flour. Take the 2 eggs, egg goes in, second egg goes in, mix that up, get it all in there, get it all mixed up. Great, good consistency there. Oh, so nice. This is a great little snack. Good, which now. Beautiful. Let's put the coconut oil in there. And let's put the melted butter. Okay, great. So that should be mixed up there, guys. So just quickly show you that. That's the consistency that it should look like there. Just going to put it in the microwave. We just put it in for 90 seconds. Alright guys, I didn't want you waiting 90 seconds there for the bread, but 90 seconds and it should come out, fingers crossed. So you're making sure that it's quite firm on the top. Oh, excellent. Oh, this came out pretty well actually. Quite firm on the top. Oh, flip it down. There you go. Ketogenic bread there, guys. This is lovely with some soft cheese. If you want to find out more about the ketogenic diet that people follow, head over to our skills hub and you'll find Tom there giving a great CPD there on ketogenic.